You make me feel so.
What's up, scrappers? Got a little e-waste pickup to do today, so I thought I'd bring the camera out and see how it goes. Not sure what I'm actually picking up. I think it's a TV, VHS player. She's a little bit vague about what she wants picking up, but I'm charging her a little fee because it's a little way out, so yeah, see how it goes. So yeah, got home with that e-waste pickup. So we've got one monitor, CRT TV, sort of, I don't know, medium size, load of cables she chucked in, what was that, satellite unit, scanner, DVD player and a VHS player. So to be honest, I was hoping for a little bit more, but she paid for me to go get it, so can't grumble really. Got paid to get it, and then I get paid to take it apart and scrap the bits. But as you can see, look at the pure filth. So yeah. So after my little pickup from the other day, I sort of organised it just to do this video. So I got copper, cables, high grade boards, steel, low grade boards, 2 motors and some plugs. So basically just for this video I took it all apart at the same time, chucked it in little containers like this just to get an idea. Remember, this was only a tiny little pickup. As what, DVD player, VCR, TV, CRT TV, CRT monitor and a few cables, and a skybox. So it's only a little pickup. So yeah, so basically let's weigh this up and see what we got. So if we do the boards first, the low grade boards at 15p a kilo. Oh, hang on. So I need to so that's an empty bucket tub, so I'm just going to tar. I weighed all the buckets first, they're all like within a few grams, so I'll just do one and then go from there. So right, bear with me. Yeah, that's where I need a tripod. So what's that, 15 pence a kilo, I'll be getting what, 81 pence for the low grade board. So nice big bucket of them, 81 whole pence. Right, let's get rid of that. Right, so next, the steel. Right, I have to put the phone down for this. Right, there we go. So steel at 10 pence a kilo. Steel there is worth 97 pence. So a little bit there, not much. As we all know, steel is worth nothing. I keep these because they come in handy for hitting stuff out, nice solid pole. I just keep them to one side when I get a load, and I just chuck them in the shredder pile. Right, just bear with me while I put this one down again. Right, so high grade boards. So out of all that, I got a couple of little high grade boards. So buy gives me £1 a kilo for those, so that's worth 72 pence for the high grade boards. 3 boards, one sort of large looking one, 2 small ones. Right. Cables, so £1.20 a kilo. I get £1.86 for all the cables. Remember, there was a few extra cables which she gave me, so just chucked them all in. I will get a little bit more money than that probably, because like I said before, these are singles, so they actually go for £1.60. But I've just chucked them all in here at £1.20 because that's what the cat cables, household cables, they all go for £1.20. But singles I will take out because I have a separate bin for them. So I'll get a little tiny bit more for the cables. Then our copper. £3.45 a kilo, so I'll get £3.48 for the copper. It's all number 2 copper. Yeah, probably, I might be able to put that in as number 1. It's quite thin though, but I'll put it all in as number 2. So £3.48 for the copper. That was mainly out of the monitor and the TV. I've got the 2 motors. Oh, 1 second. So I need to tar that. They're next to nothing. So 40 pence a kilo. I get 4p for the 2 motors. There's a couple more motors left on the steel stuff, but for the price of them, it's not worth spending a couple of minutes trying to get them off. So basically, if they're easy to get, I'll get them. If they're not, then they just go in the shred. And plugs, what will they go? 15p a kilo. So the plugs are worth 5 pence. So there we go. That was that tiny little pickup. That's one of the smaller pickups I do. All that together comes to £7.91. So literally not really worth the hassle. But I did charge her £10 to go do the pickup because it was a few miles away as well, so you got to calculate in your time, fuel and all that. So with the £10, it basically comes to, out of that I made £17.91. So in US dollars, that's $21.81. In Canada, that's $29.26. And in Australia, that's $28.70. So without adding that extra £10 to go do the pickup, it would have been worthless basically. It would have been worth what, £7.91. And altogether, it took me a little bit longer because I'd done it for the video, sorting it all out, but usually that would take me probably an hour to rip all that stuff apart. So it'd usually take about an hour. It took me an hour to go pick it up, so all in time wise, that'd have been 2 hours if I wasn't sorting it out like this, obviously. So not bad. £17.91 for 2 hours work. You know, there's other ways you can make a lot more money, but on the other hand, you could have had a couple of PCs in there, which would have been totally different. Right, hope this helps anyone out who's got to do some travelling to go get any e-waste or anything, and keep scrapping, guys. And remember, if you can sell anything, you're always going to make a lot more money. But all this stuff that comes from a woman who smoked a lot, that was dusty, it was nasty, so yeah, there's no way you could sell any of this on. And anyway, I did check a few bits which were clean, but nah, they didn't work. So yeah, like I say, guys, keep scrapping and have fun.